Hi, this is April Garwood from Banana Moon Studio. In this video, I'll be showing you how to crochet foundation single crochet. And if you are working on a project that has a first row that is solid single crochet, this is a way that you can crochet both the foundation chain and the first row of stitches at the same time. We'll start by chaining 2. And then I'm going to go under the bottom ridge loop of the first chain that I made, and I'm going to single crochet there. Then I'll go into the chain under the stitch that I made, go through 2 loops of it, I'm going to yarn over and pull through the chain, yarn over and pull through 1 chain. That right there creates the next chain in my foundation chain. It's here right above my left thumb. Then I'll yarn over and pull through both loops, and that creates the second single crochet stitch. Then I continue by finding the chain under the second stitch, going under 2 loops of it, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through 1 loop to make the next chain, yarn over and pull through 2 loops to make the next stitch. Again, through 2 loops of the chain underneath, yarn over, through the chain, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And you'll keep going like that all the way across until you've made your piece just as long as you want it. So when you're looking at this, the chain you're going to work into for the next one is here. And then if you turn it this way, you can see the stitches here. So that is how you work in foundation single crochet.